guys, today I'm doing a review on the new Monster High Claudine Wolf Dead Tired and her room's hall bunk bed. First it says here a fiercely fashionable bunk bed with her claw mark and scratch. And that's the bunk bed. It says room child Claudine Wolf and her skull. It says it comes unassembled and Monster High Upper. Go to over the side. It says, I'd seek fashion advice to my girls day or night. Howlin' ate my leftover barbecue again. Really, all these shoes are mine? Go to the back. And it says, Room Gel Claudine Wolf Doll. A perfect way to display Claudine Wolf's doll while adding a place for her to relax as close to her heart. And the only thing Claudine doesn't love about her bunk bed is sharing it with Howlin'. And that's the bunk bed and all the things. So, and this is the bunk bed. Okay. This is Claudine. I already done a review about her, so this is a mini fridge. It comes with a lamp. It's really cool. This is the fridge, and inside it comes with only an energy drink, and it says here Full Moon Energy. So yeah, put it inside. These are some hooks that you can hang a purse or a jacket. This is a jacket of her, and I just hang it like that. And sorry, it comes with a curtain, and you can swing it like that. And she comes with a Monster High pillow with the skull. And this is a swing out mirror. Sorry, I'll get that. There's a swing out mirror, and that's her skull. This is a cheetah print blanket. And it comes with some stuff. It comes with a straightening iron, but it doesn't really straighten. You can just do like this. It comes with a makeup. There's a monster skull, and you open it. It comes with this brush, shaped like a bone, and that's the makeup kit. It comes with a razor, because she's a daughter of the werewolf, so she needs it. Okay. And that's the ladder, and that's Draculaura. And this is the cheetah print blanket. And yeah, she comes with this brush. It's black. And this is Claudine. So bye guys, thanks for watching.